back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am now at Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Stay with me. It's a very nice resort for you to bring your family. Enjoy the show. Okay, guys, I'm going to start off with the dining area. The dining area opens from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Just to let you know about the breakfast, they don't have complimentary breakfast, but they do have breakfast here. Actually, I don't know of any place in the U.S. that has all-inclusive meals. If you do find a place where they have all-inclusive meal, please let me know in the description. However, you can also, they have a shuttle here which you can catch from here to all the Universal theme parks, anywhere that you want to go. Also, they have a lazy river here which is heated. Have 4 or 5 different pools, slides, you name it, they have it here. This is an amazing beach resort. So stay tuned and enjoy the show. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is where you order your food. They have any and everything that you need here. The first thing I thought of when I first saw this out was like grocery store, because it's set up almost exactly the same way. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is the hotel. It has the retro look from the 50s and the 60s, but I just wanted to show you this so you can get a feel for what it looks like. All this and the taller buildings are all the hotel. All the pools and the slides that you see will be coming up soon. So let's get started. As you can see, this is one of the amazing pools that they have here, and the lazy river is right next to it. This is truly amazing, guys. So stay tuned so I can get around to the rest of the park and show you what they have. Okay, guys, just to let you know, all the pools are heated. And as you can see here, the Bayside Tower looks like a real live volcano. Truly amazing here. So just to look at it in the evening and at night, you won't believe it. So if you ever get a chance, come to Cabana Bay Beach Resort. I wanted to take a couple of night shots from my hotel room, and this is what you see all night long. So it's really hard to sleep when this is looking at you or you're looking at that. Beautiful. Okay, this is the lazy river that I was talking about. Well, just to let you know, I always try to walk out at night just to let you see what's going on. And again, this lazy river is heated, so you can get in it. As you see the people in it having fun, swimming, just enjoying themselves. So I took a walk through here to see the pools at night, see what else they have going on. They have fire pits lit. People are out hanging out, enjoying themselves. So if you ever decide to come, you would definitely enjoy this resort. So again, guys, you know what my channel is about. It's about taking care of yourself, getting out, exercising, and this is what all the videos are about that I put out. Just to give you some different ideas of where you can go to relax, enjoy yourself, and have fun. So when I'm coming out at night to walk, I'm also getting my exercise in at the same time. I carry my water. If I stop and get something to eat, I'll do that as well. But as you can see, I'm walking and showing you everything that I can possibly show you, but at the same time, I'm exercising. Stay tuned. Now this pool here is the exact same pool I showed you from up above. It's just that you were over top of it. Now you're able to see it at night and what it looks like. Beautiful. Okay, as I was saying before, they have fire pit area out there near the pool. So imagine you come outside in the evening, getting your conversation on, in and out of the pool. Look how beautiful this is. Can't go wrong. So if you ever get a chance, again and again, Cabana Bay Beach Resort, get your walk on, your exercise, and enjoy your life. That's all it is to it. Once again, I thank you for watching. I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have subscribed, you already know I put up a video every Friday. So stay tuned and keep watching.